It's red and ready, folks. Mazda 6 Touring. This is a beautiful car. She's one owner. It's got a perfect Carfax on it. Looks like new. Automatic transmission. USB line. Backup camera. Premium sound system. Non-smoker. Console floor shift. Leather wrap steering wheel with all the controls on it. Alloys. This one's ready to go, folks. 78,000 miles on it. I believe it's a 2015. Beautiful paint on this car. Just got tons of eyeballs. She's ready to go. Service contracts included. You're looking at 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. One owner perfect Carfax certification. And dialed in. Guaranteed credit approval. This car will work. Starting downs, depends. Sometimes you start around $795 started. But we're ready to go, folks, and it's here. Perfect Carfax is available to you online for free. Saturday hours 10 to 4. And we're moving cars. Come on down, take it for a ride, see what you think. Only one spot. DasCleveland.com.